Just got a package in the mail today. New fork-mounted LED turn signals. Let's hope these work better than them shitty shits I got from eBay. So exciting. Well, it is kind of exciting because I don't have any turn signals on my bike. So let's see what we got here. So we got this little package pay here. Let's open it up and see what we got. Now, it should be noted that this is my first time buying from the company. It took a little while to get it to me. No thanks for the corona nonsense that we're all being subjected to. But, 2 pieces, 2 wire, yellow and white. That's good because the last ones I had 3 wires and I couldn't figure out how to do it. Yeah, I know. I tried and failed miserably. That's okay though. This is what we got for a cool, I think about 20 bucks or something for shipping and everything. So we're gonna go out to the garage and slap these puppies on. Hey everybody, it's Sam here again. I know, not this guy. So we had success with the install of the American Legend Riders turn signals, fork mounted, super easy install, super high quality. I'm really happy with how bright they are. Like it's obscene. So really happy with it. I did install some Blinker Genies in line to get them to go nice and slow. And if anybody's ever used the Blinker Genies, it is imperative that you get a 2-wire LED. Because if you got a 3-wire, I couldn't get it to work. Maybe I'm just not as, smart as I thought, which is fine. But anywho, so that's what I know. American Legend Riders LED turn signals, good stuff.